Balcony repair, understanding and using the phrase. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a very specific phrase, balcony repair. We'll explore what it means, how to use it in sentences, and some related vocabulary. This will not only help you understand the phrase better but also improve your English skills. So, let's get started. Balcony repair refers to the process of fixing or restoring a balcony. A balcony, as you might know, is a platform projecting from the wall of a building, typically above the ground floor, often surrounded by a railing. When we talk about balcony repair, it usually involves activities like painting, fixing broken railings, repairing cracks, or replacing flooring. It's a common phrase used in construction and home maintenance contexts. Now, let's look at how to use balcony repair in sentences. This will help you understand the context in which it's often used. 1. Example: the apartment building is undergoing balcony repair to ensure safety for its residents. 2. Example: we hired a contractor to carry out the balcony repair before the rainy season starts. 3. Example: balcony repair can be expensive, depending on the extent of the damage. In these sentences, you can see that balcony repair is often used in the context of hiring someone, safety concerns, and costs associated with the repair work. To better understand balcony repair, it's helpful to know some related vocabulary. Contractor, a person or company that undertakes a contract to provide materials or labor to perform a service or do a job. Railing, a fence or barrier made of rails, typically used for protection or support, especially on a balcony. Restoration, the action of returning something to a former condition, typically in the context of repair. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and use of the phrase, balcony repair. Understanding such specific phrases can greatly enhance your English communication skills, especially in practical contexts like housing and construction. Keep practicing, and see you in our next lesson.